Hello, good morning students. Open the textbook and see the page number 44. Nature of roots of quadratic equation. In the previous class, you seen that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a are the roots of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And you have to solve the examples by this method. Now we are going to find the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. Means what is the effect on the nature of the roots if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 or less than 0 or 0. The first of all we see if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of 0 upon 2a. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of 0 means 0 upon 2a, that is minus b upon 2a. Means here we got only one value of x. So we say that if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then roots of given quadratic equation is real and equal. Secondly, if b square minus 4ac greater than 0 means positive, then x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 means positive. Therefore the roots are 2. One is a plus and another is minus. Hence we say that if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then the roots of a given quadratic equation is real and unequal. If both the roots are unequal. If b square minus 4ac less than 0 means negative, then x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here b square minus 4ac is negative. Therefore this circle becomes square root of negative number or negative real number, and we are unable to find the square root of such numbers, and hence we say that this is not real. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, then roots of given quadratic equations are not real. Now we are going to see the example on it. Find the value of discriminant of the equation. So what is meant by discriminant? Here the value of b square minus 4ac, the value of b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant, and it is denoted by delta. Therefore we say that delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. This is the value of discriminant. Now see the practice set. Example number 2. Find the value of the discriminant of the equation. Here the given equation is 2y square minus 5y plus 10. First of all we have to compare the given quadratic equation with ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here we write y because the given quadratic equation is in variable y. Therefore we compare it with ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 10. We have to find the value of discriminant. Therefore you know that discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. b square means minus 5 square minus 4 multiplied by a means 2 multiplied by c means 10, that is equal to square of negative number is positive, that is 25 minus 4 2 जा 8, 8 10 जा 80, 25 minus 80, that is equal to minus, here 80 minus 25, 55. This is the value of discriminant. Now second example, square root of x square plus 4x plus 2 square root 2 is equal to 0. Here also compare the given quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to square root 2, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 2 square root 2. We have to find the value of discriminant. Therefore, delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to b means 4 square minus 4 multiplied by a multiplied by c. 4 square means 16 minus this 4 multiplied by 2. 4 2 is 8. Square root 2 multiplied by square root 2, that is equal to 2. 8 multiplied by 2, that is 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. This is the value of discriminant, that is delta is equal to 0. Now we are going to find the nature of the roots of quadratic equation. Here also we compare. First example is x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here also we compare the given quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 4. Find the b square minus 4ac here. B means minus 4 square minus 4 multiplied by a multiplied by c. C means 4. Minus 4 square means 16. Minus 4 4 the 16. That is equal to 0. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. That is delta, discriminant, is equal to 0. And you know that if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots of given quadratic equation is real and equal. This statement is important. Now in second example, 2y square minus 7y plus 2 is equal to 0. Here also compare the given quadratic equation with ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 2. Find b square minus 4ac. B square means minus 7 square minus 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Minus 7 square is 49. Minus 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16. 49 minus 16. 9 minus 6, 3. 4 minus 1, 3. Therefore, delta is equal to 33. It means delta is greater than 0. If the delta is greater than 0, then the roots of given quadratic equation is real and unequal. Here real and equal, here real and unequal. Now the third example, m square plus 2m plus 9. Here also we compare the given quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A m square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. वही गए a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 9. b square minus 4ac is equal to 2 square minus 4 multiplied by a multiplied by c. 2 square means 4 minus 9 4s are 36. 4 minus 36 means minus 36 minus 4 32. That is delta is less than 0, and therefore the roots of given quadratic equations are not real. Why are not real? The value of discriminant is less than 0, that is negative. Now we are going to see the next part, the relation between the roots of quadratic equation and the coefficient. Roots of quadratic equation. You know that if the given quadratic equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, then the roots are x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we consider the roots of given quadratic equation are alpha and beta. It means that alpha is equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now alpha plus beta is equal to means sum of the roots, that is the sum of roots is equal to alpha means minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a plus minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here the denominator is same, therefore we write as 2a minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac. Here is sum. Therefore plus square root of b square minus 4ac and minus square root of b square minus 4ac become cancelled. Minus b minus 2b upon 2a. Here 2 again become cancelled. We get minus b upon a. It means that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Alpha plus beta means sum of the roots of the given quadratic equation. Now we see the product. Alpha multiplied by beta is equal to, what is alpha? Minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a multiplied by beta minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a is equal to, in the denominator 2a multiplied by 2a, 2 to the 4, a multiplied by a square, and in numerator minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac multiplied by minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac. Here we see the numerator minus b, here is also minus b, here is square root of b square minus 4ac, square root of b square minus 4ac, but the difference is there. Here is the positive sign, plus sign, and here is the negative sign, minus sign. That is, we call this as x and this as y. if this has x, this has y, this is x plus y and this is x minus y. And you know that x plus y multiplied by x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. According to this, the product, that is alpha multiplied by beta, is equal to, in denominator, 4a square, and in numerator, minus b square minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole square. This is x square minus y square. That is equal to, minus b square become b square. This is minus square root of b square minus 4ac. Square root and square become cancel, and we got b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. That is equal to b square minus b square minus minus plus 4ac upon 4a square. That is equal to plus b square minus b square become cancel, 4ac upon 4a square. Here 4 cancel and single a cancel. Therefore we got c upon a, alpha multiplied by beta. This is product of the roots. That is equal to alpha multiplied by beta is equal to c upon a. So we find here sum of the roots again. That is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. So these are two more important things in this part. Product of the roots, alpha multiplied by beta is equal to c upon a, and sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta, is equal to minus b upon a. This is the relation between the roots. Roots means alpha and beta, and the coefficient. Coefficient means a, b and c. Now the next, to obtain the quadratic equation having given roots. Now we see in the previous, alpha and beta are the roots of given quadratic equation, or the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We see the example by factorization method, that is x square plus 5x plus c is equal to 0. By factorization, 6, product is equal to 6 and sum is equal to 5. So we can divide this 6 in two factors, such as 2 multiplied by 3. Their sum product is equal to 6 and the sum is equal to 5. We write this 5x as 2x plus 3x, and therefore x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. X square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. First group, second group. From the first group, x is taken as common, in bracket x plus 2. From the second group, 3 is taken as common, in bracket x plus 3 to the 6 is equal to 0. One factor is x plus 2 and another factor is x plus 3 is equal to 0. We can write x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to minus 3. And we write here minus 2 and minus 3 are the roots of quadratic equation x square plus 5x plus 6. Now, this is a forward case example. Now go opposite in this direction. Here we write alpha and beta are the roots of given quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is the statement. It means that x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to minus 3. Therefore we write here x is equal to alpha and x is equal to beta. Now x alpha taken to this side, it become minus alpha is equal to 0, or x minus beta is equal to 0. Therefore x minus alpha multiplied by x minus beta is equal to 0. This steps. Now x in bracket x minus beta minus alpha in bracket x minus beta is equal to 0. Now here x multiplied by x square minus beta x minus alpha x minus plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. We write here x square minus alpha x minus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Therefore x square minus is taken common in bracket alpha plus beta multiplied by x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation. But when alpha and beta are the roots of given quadratic equation, it means x square minus alpha plus beta. In the previous phase we see that alpha plus beta means sum of the roots. Multiplied by x plus alpha beta means product of the roots. Product of the roots is equal to 0. Now this is to obtain the quadratic equation having the given roots. If the roots are given, then you have to find the quadratic equation. Okay, this is for only today.